Zomato's primary revenue stream is its food delivery service. This service allows users to order food from restaurants listed on the Zomato platform, and Zomato handles the delivery through its network of delivery partners. A significant portion of their income comes from this service. Zomato charges restaurants a commission fee on each order placed through their platform. The process works like this. Customers place orders through Zomato's platform, and restaurants fulfill them. The commission percentage varies depending on several factors. For example, tiered commissions can significantly affect profit rates for restaurants, as shown in this table. This commission-based revenue model is crucial and reliable for Zomato's business. Zomato provides advertising and promotional services to help restaurants increase their visibility on the platform. Restaurants can pay for enhanced placements to reach more potential customers. Restaurants can choose from various promotional options, including sponsored listings that appear prominently in search results, banner ads displayed across the platform, and other targeted placements to highlight their offerings. These promotions help restaurants attract more customers by increasing their exposure on Zomato. When users browse the app, they see the promoted restaurants first, leading to more orders and business growth. Advertising and promotion services represent an important supplementary revenue stream for Zomato, providing additional income beyond commissions and other fees. Zomato Pro and Pro Plus are subscription services where customers pay a monthly or annual fee to access exclusive benefits. These include discounts at partner restaurants and, in the Pro Plus tier, unlimited free deliveries without surge or distance fees. As shown in promotional materials, Zomato Pro offers benefits like discounts on food orders and access to exclusive deals at participating restaurants. Zomato Pro Plus takes it further with unlimited free deliveries, no surge fees, and all Pro benefits. However, Pro Plus memberships are limited and invite-only, typically available during specific promotions. This subscription model generates steady revenue through recurring fees paid by users. The benefits encourage customer loyalty by making dining and ordering more affordable, leading to increased order frequency and long-term engagement with the platform. As of now, Zomato Pro is still active and accessible to users through the Zomato app, offering ongoing benefits. Pro Plus, with its enhanced delivery perks, continues to be a limited, invite-only offering to maintain exclusivity. Zomato charges customers a delivery fee for each order. The fee varies depending on factors like distance, time of day, and demand. While this fee primarily covers operational costs for delivery, it contributes to overall revenue. Zomato operates cloud kitchens, also known as Zomato Kitchens, which are specialized restaurant facilities designed without dining areas. These kitchens focus exclusively on preparing food for delivery orders. Zomato works with restaurant partners or manages its own cloud kitchens. These facilities are optimized for delivery, allowing efficient preparation of meals that are picked up or delivered directly to customers. These cloud kitchens generate revenue through food sales. When customers order meals for delivery on the Zomato app, the kitchens prepare and sell the food, contributing directly to Zomato's revenue streams. Zomato's current strategy emphasizes expanding cloud kitchen operations to handle the increasing demand for food delivery. This approach allows for better control over food quality, faster delivery times, and more efficient use of resources. By investing in cloud kitchens, Zomato aims to strengthen its position in the food delivery market and provide customers with high-quality, timely meal options. Zomato's Hyperpure business supplies restaurants with high-quality ingredients and kitchen supplies. This ensures restaurants receive fresh, reliable products to prepare their meals. Hyperpure uses electric delivery vehicles to transport these products, making the supply chain efficient and environmentally friendly. Hyperpure generates revenue by selling high-quality ingredients and supplies directly to restaurants. This creates an additional income stream for Zomato beyond food delivery commissions. By providing this essential service, Hyperpure adds another layer to Zomato's diversified revenue streams, helping restaurants operate more effectively while generating consistent income for the company. Zomato Live represents Zomato's events business, where the company organizes and sells tickets to live events such as concerts and food festivals. Through Zomato Live, customers can purchase tickets for exciting events like the Zomaland Festival, which combines music performances with food experiences. Event tickets, such as this concert ticket, are sold directly through Zomato's platform, generating revenue from each sale. Additionally, Zomato earns money through event sponsorships, where businesses pay to promote their products at these events. This diversified approach through ticket sales and sponsorships helps Zomato expand its revenue streams beyond food delivery. Zomato offers consulting services to restaurants, helping them improve their operations through data-driven insights and expert advice. Consulting services provide restaurants with valuable data analysis, including customer preferences, peak hours, and menu optimization strategies. Based on this data, Zomato provides operational advice to help restaurants improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase their sales. These consulting services generate revenue for Zomato through service fees charged to restaurants for the insights and advice provided. Consulting services fit within Zomato's broader business model, utilizing data analytics capabilities to support restaurant partners. The data-driven approach draws from Zomato's extensive sales and restaurant analytics to deliver meaningful insights. This consulting revenue contributes to Zomato's overall growth, as shown in their increasing quarterly revenue figures. Zomato's platform generates extensive data from millions of food orders, capturing customer preferences, ordering habits, and location patterns. This data is collected and includes details about what foods people order, when they order, and where they are located. Through advanced analysis, Zomato processes this raw data to identify meaningful patterns and trends. The result is actionable insights that restaurants can use to improve their operations and menu planning. Zomato provides these insights to restaurants through detailed reports and dashboards, helping them understand customer behavior and optimize their business. Beyond helping restaurants, Zomato generates you by selling this data and analytics services to businesses, creating an additional income stream from their data assets. Zomato facilitates payment processing for orders placed on their platform. When customers pay for their food, the transactions are processed through payment gateways. For each transaction, payment gateways charge a small fee. Zomato earns a portion of these transaction fees, which contributes to their overall revenue streams. Zomato Gold is an exclusive membership program designed for India's top foodies. It offers premium benefits through a subscription model that generates revenue for the company. The program generates revenue through membership fees. Members pay a subscription fee currently offered at a special launch price of $149 for 3 months. This creates a steady income stream for Zomato. Zomato Gold members enjoy exclusive benefits that enhance their dining and delivery experience. These include free delivery, a no-delay guarantee, up to 30% extra off on delivery orders, VIP access during rush hour, and up to 40% flat off on dining at partnered restaurants. Zomato's investments in other companies and strategic acquisitions play a key role in strengthening their financial position. By putting capital into promising ventures or buying established businesses, Zomato creates opportunities for additional revenue streams. When Zomato invests in a company or completes an acquisition, they become a stakeholder in that business. This means they can benefit from the growth and profitability of these ventures over time. The returns on these investments, such as dividends, capital gains, or profits from acquired businesses, flow back to Zomato as additional revenue. This diversification helps stabilize and grow their overall financial performance. These strategic moves are integrated into Zomato's broader business model, contributing to their long-term success and market expansion. Zomato has expanded internationally through strategic acquisitions, allowing it to operate in multiple countries and tap into new markets for revenue generation. These international operations significantly contribute to Zomato's overall revenue. The company's income has grown substantially, with international markets playing a key role in this expansion. In these international markets, Zomato provides the same delivery services, generating revenue through commissions, delivery charges, and other business models, contributing to the company's diversified income streams. Zomato collaborates with brands for marketing campaigns and sponsorships. This involves partnerships where brands pay for exposure on the Zomato platform. Brands work with Zomato to reach customers through sponsored content and advertisements. For example, brands might sponsor featured dishes or promotional banners on the app. An example of this is a sponsored advertisement offering discounts and promotions, like the pizza deal shown here. Brands also gain visibility through logos and taglines integrated into the platform's design and user interface. Revenue is generated when brands pay Zomato for this exposure and promotional opportunities within marketing campaigns. Zomato sells branded merchandise such as winter jackets and polo shirts for delivery partners. While this is a minor revenue source, it significantly boosts brand visibility and recognition among customers. Affiliate marketing is a revenue model where businesses promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission on sales generated through their referrals. The process typically involves a promoter recommending a product, the customer making a purchase, and the promoter receiving a commission for the successful referral. The diagram shows the key steps in affiliate marketing, including finding a niche, building a platform, creating content, and tracking results to ensure commissions are earned. Zomato does utilize affiliate marketing as part of its revenue diversification strategy. By promoting complementary products or services and earning commissions on referrals, they expand their income streams beyond core operations. Zomato generates revenue through licensing agreements by allowing other companies to use its technology and brand in specific regions or industries. These licensing fees provide an additional income stream for the company. Zomato implements cancellation fees to manage operational costs and maintain service quality. These fees apply when an order is canceled after the restaurant has already begun preparing the food. If the customer cancels at this stage, Zomato charges a cancellation fee to compensate for the resources already invested in preparing the order. These fees contribute to Zomato's overall revenue streams, helping to offset operational expenses and support the platform's sustainability. Zomato provides restaurants with branded packaging materials, such as boxes, bags, and containers. These materials help restaurants maintain consistent branding and presentation quality for their deliveries. By selling these packaging materials, Zomato creates an additional revenue stream beyond their core delivery and commission services. Zomato provides restaurant management software that helps restaurants streamline their daily operations. This software includes features like order management, inventory tracking, staff scheduling, and customer analytics, all accessible through an intuitive dashboard. The software helps restaurants manage orders, track inventory levels, handle staff assignments, and analyze customer data to improve service quality. This comprehensive tool makes restaurant operations more efficient and cost-effective. Restaurants subscribe to this software by paying recurring fees, which creates a steady revenue stream for Zomato. The pricing structure often varies based on restaurant size and features needed, contributing to the company's diversified income. Zomato forms partnerships with financial institutions like banks and credit card companies to enhance user benefits and generate additional revenue. These partnerships connect Zomato with banks for loan offers and credit card companies for rewards programs. For instance, Zomato partners with banks like Canara Bank to advertise car loan offers with attractive features like low interest rates and flexible EMEs. Another example is partnerships with credit card companies like Credit One Bank, offering cashback rewards on eligible purchases that users can redeem. Through these tie-ups, Zomato generates revenue by running promotional campaigns. The company earns fees from financial institutions for directing users to their services or receives commissions on completed transactions. Zomato generates revenue through a variety of sources, including food delivery commissions, advertising, subscription services, cloud kitchens, Hyperpure, and other ventures. This diversified approach allows Zomato to sustain its business and explore growth opportunities. Here we can see the revenue breakdown and business model visualization. Zomato continues to work towards profitability, with recent quarters showing progress despite historical losses.